Hello people, welcome to a new video. I'm here with Filippo. Where are you? We are in North London today with Arrows of Time, the band that supplied me with my opening song for a few years. Go check them out on SoundCloud, Spotify, and do you guys have YouTube?
We do, yeah, we do.
They have YouTube. Go and check them out. All the links in the description tab. We are here in this studio because they're having a jam, playing the new tracks they wrote, and I want to show you how we can turn this studio with the lights we have supplied by the studios into a more cinematic video with the lights I've got. We're gonna start now. Check this out. I've got studio lights, different brands, all the links of the products in the description tab. We're gonna check all the different items I've got, how we can use them, because I've got RGB lights, day lights with soft boxes, no soft boxes, tiny lights as well by Weeylite, and actually I'm gonna thank all the brand I collaborate with, which are exactly the Weeylite, Godox and Zhiyun. We're gonna start the day and we start rolling. Guys, Arrows of Time, Will at the vocals and main guitar, lead guitar, Simon bass player, Filippo drummer over there, ready to rock and roll. Woohoo!
Don't feel alive. Don't feel alive. Don't feel alive. The old man crying with regret. His bit of desire. Don't make you whole through the higher life. Spend your life holding back to a lie. But can't you see we are animals?
First of all, to go through some techie stuff, camera gear, I'm using 3 different cameras, Sony a7R III. This is gonna be on a tripod right here, facing the band, wide angle, 16 millimeters, fully opened on the 16 to 35G Master. I've got a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 4K. As the space is very tight, I think I'm gonna use a 1635 as well, a Canon Mark III, probably a 35 millimeters to get some close-ups and details of the instrument. And then we have a GoPro that we need to actually understand where to place it. It's a GoPro Hero 10, maybe next to the drum. We switched to the ML60. That's what you can see so far. We're waiting for the other 2 members of the band. Yeah, did you hear that? We've got Simon on the bass guitar.
We've got the stink.
Will is the
Drums.
singer and the guitarist. Okay, let's keep going. Yeah, so far I've got the honey grid on as well. Here we are, all the setup done. Now I've got, as I said, the 2 Godox ML60 over there, 2 layers of diffusion, honeycomb grid. One is set up on the singer, the other one on the drummer and the bass player. Then we have 2 Zhiyun FR100, the 5-ray 100C, really nice light, one in teal and one in red. Then we have another one in red under the drum itself, and this is a Weeylite SO3. Then we have another one, same light, right there in white, just to brighten up the drummer Filippo. In terms of power, this is 1% actually, so that's how powerful it is. The one under the drum, 100%, because I really want to make the drum stand out. Then we have 47% with the 5-ray in red. And let me check this one here. The teal one is 12%. And we've got 50% on the 2 ML. I want to give you one good feature of all these lights that you can find, of course, as a video review on my channel, but also in the description tab. So Godox ML60, it's great. It's a professional light, and even though they're very portable, they're very powerful. I can use them on all the kind of setups, indoors especially. For these kind of things are great. Also, one is bicolor. For the 5-ray, the Zhiyun 5-ray, I love the design as well. They just look cool in camera. Check them out. And of course, they are RGB. So good feature there. For the Weeylite S3. They are tiny, you can fit them in your pocket. I've got 4 of them, and they're really great fill light because you can play with it and you can make some subjects stand out. And also through the app you can create different groups of light and brighten up the space as you like, so you can be very creative. Something great about all these lights, actually, they can be run just out of battery, so you can charge them when you are at home, and then they can run without any cable for a few hours. Now I'm just running the 2 ML60 via the cable because the batteries will not last that long, but hopefully the 5-ray and the S3 will last for the entire shoot. We have 3 songs to record. We're gonna record probably twice or 3 times each song. Also, I'm gonna use 3 cameras as I mentioned, and then in video editing we're gonna layer them on a timeline and just cut them out to create the song. Some extra tips: I put the 5 rays at the back of the players because they create some fill light on their face and also on the instruments, as you can see here, but probably you can see it on my face as well. You can see the red and the teal on this side. So try to play with the lights, create some fill lights as well. It really makes the video more interesting compared to just having the key light, which is very important anyway, so don't get me wrong. In terms of honeycomb grid, it's really helpful to direct the light, because if I take them out, the light will spread in the whole room, and I don't want that. I want to direct the light towards certain players. So the singer in this case, bass player, and Filippo is lit up by the tiny SO3. There you go. I think we're gonna start rolling soon. I hope you enjoyed the video. As always, hit subscribe right now. Many tutorials and tips coming soon.